Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the place you are watching for. Greeting with your time, guys. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. Today guys, we want to do fast snack for breakfast. Share guys about journal video bonostera dependent of it sawanando questo video saltava come vostro adesso benvenuto God Glory Happy Kitchen. Oggi facciamo un snack veloce per colazione e merenda. Ingredienti sono due ingredienti: Nutella qua, tu usa quantità che vuoi, e pasta sfoglia. It's only two ingredients we need. We need puff pastry, two like this, and our Nutella. You can use the quantity of Nutella you want, depends on you. Guys, I already had my Nutella to eat. We have to spread it now. Metto mia Nutella, spalma tutto. Dopo copriamo con secondo parte. Then we'll now cover it with the second part. This is the other one. Spread it very well. We'll now cover it with the second part. Copriamo con seconda parte. Non dei pizza cotta non separare di biscotti e tagliamo a strisce. Take it to the oven to bake for 5 or 10 minutes, depends on your oven. Portiamo forno da cuocere 5 o 10 minuti, dipende tuo forno. We'll be right back. Guys, our snack is set. Did you see the way it look like? So lovely and yummy. E nostro snack è pronto. Visto come bella, molto bella e gustoso. Lasciamo freddare prima che saggia. We have to leave it to cool before we taste it. Guys, do you see what it look like? If you like this yummy snack, what are you waiting for? Just give a huge thumbs up, a like, share. Bye bye. We'll see you on my next video. Ciao ragazzi, per me sta già per voi. Let me taste it for you guys. Very yummy. Bye bye guys. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. God.